Are you ready?
Car. Car. She drives a car to work every day. Bus. Bus. He takes the bus to school every morning. Train. Train. The train leaves the station at 8 a.m. Bicycle. Bicycle. I ride my bicycle in the park on weekends. Airplane. Airplane. They are flying to Paris on an airplane. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. He enjoys riding his motorcycle on the highway. Boat. Boat. We took a boat ride on the lake. Truck. Truck. The truck delivered goods to the store. Helicopter. Helicopter. The helicopter landed on the hospital roof. Subway. Subway. She takes the subway to get to work. Car. Bus. Train. Bicycle. Airplane. Motorcycle. Boat. Truck. Helicopter. Subway. Congratulations! See you later.